Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And first of all, if you didn't watch part two, I had to double the 59 because wasn't thinking these are individual pieces. So it's going to blend them individually. So that's why I had to double it. So I've already figured that out. But then I thought, if you don't have text to path, or not text to path, object to path, you can do it just by simply rotation. And we already found out in our last video that this circle is, the length of the curve is 94.261. And these things we needed to space out at 1.6 equals 59. Well, if we do it by rotation, 360 divided by 59 is 6.101 degrees plus. So what I'm going to do is open up the transformation docker. We'll go to Docker and transform. Yours might say transformation. And we're going to grab our item. We're going to rotate it. That 6 point, I actually put in the real number, and I need 59 of them. Well, first of all, you need to make the center of the rotation to the center of your circle. And then I always double check it, make sure it's there. So we're rotating that 6 point, it's rounding it off in 59 of them. And look at that. It did exactly the same as we had before. Now what we can also do, we'll do it like this. We'll see if we can't grab the circle, holding down the control or the shift button to bring it in just a little bit. Control D and then grab that circle, holding down the shift key and bring it out. That way it helps it grow from the center. And then if we use the Smart Fill tool again, we get the exact same. I might have made it a little bit thicker on this one, but the exact same characteristics of both of them, using not having to use. So because Corel started object to path in the version 2018, so if you don't have that, everybody's got this. Yours under the docker might say transformation. They keep changing the names a little bit, and pretty easy to. And if you didn't watch how to learn to figure out how long that path was, you need to watch part two. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.